Hello everybody, welcome back to another Garden Warfare 1 video. Um, yeah, let's play some Agent P. My mic sounds a little bit different because my one that I normally use is broken. It either makes me sound like a chipmunk, like you've seen in past videos, or this doesn't work at all and I'm just not talking. It's pretty annoying whenever it happens. This guy's extremely unaware. Oh crap. No, that did not hit me. That did not hit me. Whatever. Yeah, no, that for sure did not hit me. Come on. I'll save you, Cactus. However you got up here. Well, now I'm stuck here. That didn't hit him? What? What? What am I even doing? Out. Like, what am I doing? Whatever, let's go get this engineer. Oh, he's back here. Please die, please die, please die. I'm not gonna live this. Dang it. Because there's another kid trying to steal this guy's kill that he totally deserved. No, come back here, engineer. Dude, this guy is extremely unaware. Oh, okay, so I'll decide to be an outhouse zombie. Or coffin zombie, whatever. That's so awesome. Well, it's whatever, I guess. Okay, who's that realistically gonna hit, pea shooter? Let's use our little brains. The things inside of our head. Oh. Um, to be fair, I am dead, so I'm not sure if I should be talking, but you did throw a chili bean bomb at a wall. What did I get with that? Dang, bro. That was sad. Oh, no way, I got an engineer with that. Stop, get in the point. Pea shooter, I see you. There's 2 pea shooters on this truck. Get in the point. Cannot be serious. Hello? Hello? That. No, I did not decide to the same outhouse. What? Where were you? Whatever, dude. Let's just wrench kill. I don't know what I'm shooting at. Hello? Got him. 6. Oh my good lord. What? It's you. Dude, there's so many foot soldiers that I don't even know about. And then I see who I got killed by, and it's just some random foot soldier. Being a little biggie and stealing kills. I'll revive you. Oh! No, get back here. Please die. I'm not surviving. Dang it, dude. It's because he had the heal station right next to him. Dang it. It's really annoying. Hello, engineer. Oh! This guy with the gas mask. I'm just... What? Okay, I'm sorry for playing boss mode right now. You need to get off boss mode and contribute with our team. Dude, I'm kind of cooking. I'm kind of cooking as Agent P right now. Yo, what is this setup? You can't even leave. Oh my gosh. How low is he? How low is he? Yeti Imp? Where? Yeah, I know, but I should be getting a new mic within the next few episodes. Maybe like so I have to upload 2 episodes today because I forgot to make one yesterday. So it's gonna be this episode, then the next episode, and then tomorrow's episode. Hold on. And then I should have a better microphone. So what today? This is like part 6. So 7, 8. So by part 9, I should probably have a better microphone. Get out of the plant spawn. You guys are seeing. You guys saw that. None of those shots hit him. I'm at point blank and the crosshair is red. That should basically mean it's hit scan at that range. No, come back here, buddy. No, come back here. Oh my gosh. It's that guy again. What am I looking at? That'll do something. For sure. Yo! No, 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 how low were you? How low were you? 21? Only 21? Yo! That's extremely annoying. you even doing back? Got him. Ow. I'm sorry, none of those were hitting him? You guys saw that, right? The crosshair was red. He wasn't even moving. I'm scared. What did I go into? How much kills do I even have? I have 13, not bad. I have my chili bean bomb ready. It's him again. Ugh. Oh my. I'm sorry. Sorry from where? So I don't know what to shoot at right now. Come back here. Okay, we freaking traded. That's annoying. Okay, yeah, no, we're losing this point. Yeah, no, we lost the point. It's been the golf course. It's gonna come up here, yeah. Come down here. Come on. Come on. Wait, what if I just camp right here? Oh yeah, never mind, they're coming around here. None of those hit? No, you need to get out of here, scientist. Dr. Chester, I'm sorry, I have to kill you. I'm reloading! I swear I just reloaded. Now I'm at like, oh, you have one bullet now. Yeah, no, you just you don't have all the bullets now. No one? Oh, that was scary. I can't see. I mean, I can't hear. I'm going 4 and 3 against this guy. Come on, we just gotta hold out for. Okay, never mind. Alright, nobody's over there. Oh, good lord, out of all of that, I only did 10 damage. Yeah, no. Where are you shooting from? There we go, I got someone. No, they're moving it. Can I do chili bean bomb jump? We're either about to waste or did not work. Good to know. Hello? Hello there. I'm like the Star Wars guy. No, they're so close. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. Did we win? Yes, we won. Oh. Cactus just got obliterated. Well, we won. How much coins did we get? 9,000. Awesome. Now we should be able to get a variant. Yep. Let's see what we get. Oh! No way, we just got Arctic Trooper. That's really good. I think that's our first foot soldier variant. No, it's not. We got Super Commando. Bro, we just got Arctic Soldier. That's actually really good. Okay, well, we're definitely gonna be playing Arctic Soldier next game. Man, that's really good. We've been getting all like the good variants. Nice. Look at Arctic Trooper. That's really good. I know I keep saying that, but like it is. Okay, well, we're about to go into the next round. Hopefully won't have to switch teams. But what map are we playing on? Driftwood Shores Night. Hopefully I'm not plants again. That would suck. Okay. Are we gonna get plants or zombies? We're zombies. Nice. I think we got them like all 4 in a row. Foot Soldier, Super Commando, Archer, Tank Commander. Okay, well, let's play Arctic Trooper. First, you have to customize him, of course. With the retro box. And then... Perfect. Actually, no. Like every other foot soldier, we're getting the beret. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go! We're playing Arctic Trooper. This video, like, Emma automatically just got like 10 times better. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna revive him. Better not call an airstrike on me. No, 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 no. This is not. What? Yes, revive me. Yes. No. Oh, we were so close. Okay, Ness, do you have a teleporter down? Ow, ow. Just go. Just make a run for it. No! I was so close. That's really annoying. And teleporter's gone too. Did that frozen cactus that really just tried to get in their cactus drone while there were 5 zombies on the other side of the rock? What are you, like, trying to do there? Providing cover fire. They got him. Oh no, what happened? Chili bean bomb? Yeah. Dang it, bro. And the teleporter's gone. Get to work. Come on. Engineer. Get out of there and make a teleporter. Poor dolphin, I hear right now. Okay. Oh! The future cactus. He saw me right before I killed him. There, I killed the other cactus. Revenge. Ow. Oh, there's a cactus right there. Yeah, get out of here, buddy. We don't want... Okay, of course it's gonna hit. Oh, crap. No! The 6-shooter. Law P. $5,000 for your name alone. $5,000 for me? Can I turn myself in? Let's try and come up here again. See, dude, how much skills have we gotten? We gotten 4. That's not bad. Like 2 minutes. Oh! You're kidding me. Okay. So that... Someone's coming up here. Okay, let's move... Okay, well actually we're like not even that high of health. Yes! We did it. Now there's actually a lot of cactuses on their team. That's like... Because I've been seeing a lot of like little garlic drones and it's really annoying. Oh, he's dead. Fish and chips. Oh, I'm British. I call it fish and chips instead of potato jeremies. Where I'm from, we call them potato jeremies. Ow. Yep, now they're gonna send a garlic drone after us. Leave me alone! Please don't hit the thingy. Yo, get off your garlic drone! There's actually so many cactuses. I don't think that's how you build the teleporter, buddy. Ah, bro. What? I just reloaded twice. Y'all saw that, right? I reloaded, shot ZPG, then reloaded again. I've never actually came over this way. You're telling me I missed all of that? Yay, nerf. Nerf garlic drones. Make it hit scan. Now they're camping there too. I saw another cactus coming up there. Yo. Oh, my mic is actually coming in tomorrow. Um, okay, cool. So maybe the next episode I'll probably have one. Well, not next episode, but the next episode that is tomorrow. Dude, I reload always at the worst times. Okay, I'm not really gonna die to a potted plant, am I? Okay, buddy. You can go build a teleporter now. Like, get out of here! Like, it's like they're so stupid on their garlic drone that it's actually, like, it's funny. No way that missed. Let me guess, it's another garlic drone! No, it's just some random guy on top of the thing. Yo. I wonder if that'll get him to move. Nope. I just summoned a hockey. Not hockey. What am I talking about? I want to get on top of those rooftops. Okay, maybe I should get in the point instead. Hey. No, why don't I actually go to the point? No, I'm just gonna die. Dang it, dude! I think we just lost this. Yeah, we did. Whatever. It's either this, we get this far in the game, or it's we get all the way to the Mega Flower. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I liked playing this game. And, yeah. I also play Garden Warfare 2. If you want to see that playlist, go ahead. It is in the link in the description. Yeah. Sorry for the bad mic today. I know it doesn't really sound that much different, but it's really inconvenient for me because it looks really stupid. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.